and welcome. I'm Megan. I'm a photographer and watercolor artist with chronic health challenges, thoughts, and wrist strength issues. I want to encourage you and for you to see what is possible. In the spirit of summer, I decided I wanted to paint some fruits. The first one that I'm going to paint is a watermelon slice. I remember this being one of those things that I could actually paint early on when I first started painting. It's relatively simple. This is pink, quin pink. And then we're going to use some sap green. And then this in-between part, I'm going to use a tiny bit of yellow ochre. Oh, that didn't pick up anything. Tiny bit of yellow ochre. Leaving a little bit of white space right here. Dry off my brush again. And run the brush along here. Blend this all together. And there we go. The other thing you could do is add a couple of little seeds on there, either with like a Sharpie or just with some black, making sure of course that they're very random. Let's see. Oh, another one that I really enjoyed painting early on that I was not as good at would be lemons. I don't actually have lemon in this palette. This is Indian yellow, but let's see how this goes. That was a very watery version because I had more water on the brush than paint. Now, in order to make it so you can see this, I'm going to add some more yellow, and then I think I'm going to go with a little bit of burnt umber. Brush is too wet. And then let's do, oh, I really enjoyed doing blueberries. Blueberries are quite fun. I'm going to use this bottom corner here. Make sure there's not too much water. And just do a little circle. I'm doing this with my fingers. And if you used a smaller brush, then you would get smaller blueberries. But of course, you want to be careful to avoid doing tiny detail work if your wrist is hurting. Circles are one of the hardest things. There's something about the precision that's required in circles that I have a really hard time with, which is why that's a very large blueberry. But if you kind of go with the whimsical, fun kind of a style, then you won't need to worry about that. And we're going to go with odd numbers. When painting, odd numbers is always a really good idea. Compositionally. 2, 3, 5. Which is a bummer because 6 is my favorite number, but whatever. Let's see. How about limes? Do you think I have enough olive to do limes? Maybe. Possibly. Limes are basically the same shape as lemons, except just a little more. It's like a buzzing in my ear. There's a mosquito in here. What was I saying? How about some grapes? I'm not a huge fan of eating grapes. I'm going to do some blueberries in a brighter blue. Stupid mosquito. And then if you wanted to have highlights on your blueberries, you could do what I did over here and leave a little bit of white space. That takes a lot of work, though. What other fruits are there? I don't even know what a mango looks like. Let's try a mango. There's our mango. How about pineapple? I feel like we need a palm tree in here. That's not a fruit. Bonus time. Mosquito. Oh, that's cute. That turned out really fun. Hopefully you will have fun painting some summery fruits yourself. This was a lot of fun. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video.